KittyCrushK here, back for another video. Now today I will be showing you guys how to draw the YouTube play button. Well, yeah, the YouTube play button. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first you want to draw a big square. You can use a big square, so you can use anything. For me, I'm just going to use my vault. Yeah, it actually works. So it's a square. You can make it as big as you want. I'm just going to make it this size. Okay? So you just want to trace around anything or just do a square. So I'll see you guys after I do that. Okay guys, I have just finished doing my square. Don't worry about the other things. I'm just a bit bad at tracing. But this is what I got so far. Oh yeah, make sure to go check out the video after this one of when I showed you guys how to do this. So this square, and then you're going to draw a line at the bottom of the square. Make sure it's straight. Mine isn't completely straight, but it's worth it. There. But you're not going to draw it in it. But in the rest of the square, you are going to draw a line. Just like that. And then you're going to draw on the top of that line a down. It's kind of like a sideways square. There. And I'm going to make it a bit more longer. And then at the bottom of it, you're going to draw a straight line. So, I'll see you guys once I did that. Okay guys, I've just did that. And then, you guys can, where we did that line, right here, in there it's like a little long rectangle, and there you're going to write, so you might want to grab a thicker pen, so I'm just going to quickly grab my thick green pen, permanent, you guys just use a thick pen, and then in there you guys can write congratulations, so I'm going to write that. So obviously I didn't spell it correctly. Congratulations to get the golden play button. Obviously it wouldn't really say that, so it's not, so this is, I actually remember the word, it's golden play button, or you can make it the silver. I just wrote congratulations to get the golden play button, and then in the corner when you wrote play button, you're going to do that little circle thing of their profile picture. I'll draw mine, but obviously I don't really have it because I don't know how to change it, but I don't really know how to change it, but I'll draw what it would look like. So I'll see you guys when I did that. Okay guys, obviously you might still want to use this. You might want to still use your thin marker because it's so small, or you could make it bigger than I did. Well, I just did it there, and then you're going to write 1 million subscribers, because I think that is what it is to get it, I think. So I'm just going to write that. So I have just wrote it. 1 M subs, which is short, so 1 million subscribers. And then I'm gonna just do, I know it's not actually like that, into that yet. So, yeah, you can just color it in. So, see you guys once I've colored it in. So, guys, this is what I've did so far. Now, I'll see you guys for another thing. I'll show you guys in a couple of seconds, I guess. Okay, guys, I have just finished doing, not finished technically, technically I still have a bit to go, so I'll see you guys for our next review of how I have been so far. So, okay, that was weird. Okay, guys, I have just finished doing the golden play button. So, I don't know what to do now. So the video is made for 6 minutes and 20 seconds. What am I gonna do now? But I guess I have to put this video to an end, my non-favorite bit. Most of the YouTubers don't really like to say goodbye because I like being with you guys. Oh yes, the shout out word of the day. So the shout out word of the day. I actually haven't given any shout outs yet. But if you guys want to get a shout out, I'm not sure if I'll do shout outs or not, but here's just some. So the shout out word of the day is, drumroll please, YouTube. Okay, so comment down below YouTube if you guys want a shout out. Now, if you guys comment down below, what would your YouTuber name be? Mine is KittyCrushK, but what would your YouTube name be? Oh, my brother's in the background. Bingo? Nah. he was joking, but that is the name. Bingo. Comment down below what would your YouTuber name would be down below, down here.
Yeah, if it's bingo.
Down below, down here. Sorry for my brother. He's ruining this.
I have won nothing.
Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, that hurt. Okay, bye.